name's Nicole, host of Pilot's Lounge in Tucson, Arizona, and today's host hack is outdoor lighting. The first thing we're going to go over is solar accent and motion lighting. Solar lighting is a perfect way to accent your outdoor spaces and to delight your guests. No outlet? No problem. Instead of a pitch black backyard, you now have a glowy romantic patio. Motion lights are also a great tool to help your guests feel more comfortable in dimly lit areas. We like to use them around our trash receptacle locations, so if guests are taking trash out at night, they feel more comfortable. Number 2, dusk to dawn bulbs. Make sure your exterior lighting is on and bright, because the last thing your guests want to see when they pull up after a long flight or a long drive is a haunted house. This is where dusk to dawn bulbs really come in handy to make sure those lights are always on for your guests. This is a GE dusk to dawn bulb. I highly recommend you go with GE, name brand. I've tried the off-brand and it makes your house look like a haunted house. They just flicker. So guests probably would think that's pretty creepy. I know I would. The great thing is just like a normal light bulb, and it just screws into the fixture. So you don't have to buy a new fixture that has a light sensor in it. You just need these special bulbs. So when you first install them, they are on for a few moments because they're detecting the light around them. You want to see if you can make sure that the light sensor is positioned outward so that it's detecting the correct amount of daylight. And it'll turn off here in a few moments and you'll be good to go. It's still on. There it goes. So we want to make sure that our lights are staying on 24/7 so the dusk to dawn bulbs can do their job. One way we can do this is with these guys. These are light switch covers. They come in both this square design for the square switches and also the toggle, but this particular design has 2 magnets at the top and bottom, so it easily just snaps over the light switch plate. So to wrap things up, we have 1, solar accent and motion lighting to create that warm vibe, 2, dusk to dawn bulbs to automate your exterior lighting, and 3, light switch covers to make sure people don't turn those lights off.